Hey, this is Charles Draven, and today I'll be talking about high ticket profits with affiliate marketing emails. And you might have been promoting some low ticket products. A lot of people will promote like one of the largest e-commerce shops, and you won't get that much money per sale, and it really requires high volume. So if you're tired of chasing pennies and you're just going for those low paying offers, I want to change your mindset to focus on something that will create a larger income stream for you. The type of income that I'm talking about with each sale, you'll be able to earn like, let's say 3, 4 plus figures. And that is a very substantial difference. And that is per a single sale. So this is by promoting premium products and services. And then in this video, the whole idea here is to help you identify niches, partner with brands, and then create an email marketing strategy that delivers big returns. And if you stick around till the end, you'll be able to unlock my special passive income framework. I'll tell you how to get access to that. Who am I? My name is Charles Draven from Silicon Valley. I've been building online businesses for over a decade. I was a financial consultant, tried to promote a wide variety of things online. You might have done the same thing too, where you go online and search for how to make money online. So a lot of the popular systems that I came across, I've tried so many over the years, and I stuck with a model that's very simple that I've been tweaking over time, and that's what I share here in InfoSpike TV. And the hope here is to help you make some serious bank too. And let's talk about some email marketing strategies here. If you are not familiar with email marketing, it is a way for you to build up your own list of contacts, whether those are of prospective customers or customers, and then you'll be able to market by doing follow-ups over time. And one thing that I want to talk about is what I used to do many, many years ago is that I used to do direct mail. And I remember creating 12 stacks of different color paper, like light blue, I think it was like sky blue, goldenrod, and all these different colors. And each month I would send out my newsletter. I would have it printed, and then I'd go ahead and have someone that I knew trifold them and put them on into an envelope, and I had metered mail at that time. So every month, a name would transition from the initial contact all the way up to the 12-month mark, and then they would get my follow-ups through direct mail through the typical USPS system here in the United States. So that was pretty costly. Nowadays, you can do this through email. It's very automated. And some of what I'm talking about today, it actually was information that I also gained from direct response marketing, doing direct mail. And I'm going to talk about things that can, of course, be used in email marketing. So the first thing is that you want to grab attention, and you do that online by using a subject line. And the whole idea is to get people to click so they actually read your email. And then if you are able to, you can personalize your greetings. That makes people feel like you're addressing them directly instead of just being a bulk emailer. And I'll say this, that many times, including myself, if I am marketing to very, very, very a cold list, like a very cold audience, people that I don't know, that don't really know me, most of the time I'll just have them enter their email address. So there's not much personalization, but the hope there is that over time, as I build a relationship, that they'll be able to tap into other offers where I do collect their name and maybe some other information. But from the get-go, if you are just starting out, you don't have to personalize, you don't have to collect names. Again, many of the top marketers just collect the email address. However, if you do collect a name, then you could personalize. Another thing that I like doing is storytelling. Uh, just like in this video, I've talked to you about some of my experiences, and that's how I weave in some storytelling. So the whole thing here is, what stories do you have? What experiences do you have that can connect with your marketing materials, that can connect with their desires? And so find a way to storytell. Clear call to action. At the very end, what I typically do is tell readers exactly what I want them to do. So throughout the email body, I'll lead into something that is going to lead to that click, whether it's a click to buy or learn, watch a YouTube video. That call to action is going to be in the vast majority of my emails. Maybe not all, but the vast majority of them, I will have a call to action. Mobile optimization, I think this is big nowadays. I used to use an autoresponder system that was very, very popular in the day, and it was not mobile optimized. If I was to view it on my smartphone, the text would be extremely tiny, but on the desktop PC, it would look okay. So the thing is, make sure that you're using a platform that is mobile optimized because many people will use their smartphone to read your emails. And then provide value pack content. This right here, there's actually various stages that I utilize in my email marketing. But for the vast majority of them, what I try to do is try to weave in some education or some information. Some people will refer to a term called infotainment, where you could entertain and at the same time provide some informative content. You'll find that a lot of marketers in the make money online space, they're just doing sales pitches every single day. They'll provide you with, especially if you do something called like a joint venture, they'll provide something called email swipes. They'll make them very short typically, and the whole idea is to get people to click. Both strategies work. I think it really depends on your personality, what you want to use, because again, there are people that have been very successful at providing just direct pitches. I think one of the biggest differences, though, is that many of these marketers they actually have acquired a buyer's list. Those are customers that have paid for their products, and so they have a different type of relationship compared to most people that will just get started and send ads, whether it's solo ads or use organic strategies to build a list. So you just have to think about that. What do you want to do in your business? How do you want to provide value pack content? But I do my best to provide value. It may not be 100% of the time, because I do promote some products and I do some straight pitches, but the vast majority of the time I do provide something where people could learn from the content and then of course take action. Next thing is A/B split testing, where you could experiment. One easy way to experiment is to have alternate subject lines, and just to see which subject line gets the most click-through rate. And from there, as you start testing out more emails, and over time, you could see what people gravitate towards more. And then, of course, through your body, you could also split test that. So I've given you a lot of strategies. If you were to go into like, let's say a very advanced email marketing course, they'll teach you a lot about these things. But also with A/B split testing, a lot of tools nowadays, they have the ability to do that. And it's very easy to learn from. So let's say that if they do have an A/B split testing tool, you just change, put one version with one headline and another one with a different headline or subject line. So there's a lot of things that you could utilize just off the bat from what I mentioned today. And if you are interested in earning passive income, I do utilize a passive income framework. So just make sure that you check out the first pinned comment below, and then you'll be able to access the video where you could learn all about this passive income framework. And I want to thank you for watching. And this was all about helping you with your affiliate marketing emails. Hope you learned a lot and take care.